Okay guys, so let me show you how to draw a dog. And this one's inspired by Twilight Gaming. So first, draw a head, make a little circle, and then its ears. You can make it a chihuahua or a cat, I don't care. And then make it a circle, and then a little legs, another leg over here, and then it's a little tummy, and then its ended legs. Now it looks like a little popsicle stick. I don't care. Now any tail you want, a cat tail, but I'm just gonna put a dog tail. Oh no, I just messed up. It's okay. Anyways, make a collar so it has a pet. And then first thing is to put its little bangs. Then make its little ears furry. And its little nose. And this smile. I'm just gonna make it. Now I'm gonna make it wink. Now just put on. Now to make its eyes are pretty cute. So you just make a circle as usual. And do like a little circle. And just put a little highlight there. And you're done. Now, check. Now this is just only how to draw a dog. How to draw a dog. Yay! Now this is for people who don't know how to draw cats or dogs, but it's okay. If yours doesn't look good, it's okay. You can always get a compliment. Anyways, bye! Beep doop.